That laptop sitting in your drawer collecting dust? It's not trash. It's a server. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I turned mine into a fully working home server that I can access from my main machine using RDP, SSH into from anywhere on my network, and even control from my phone using Termux. No cloud subscription. No monthly fees. Just a laptop you already own, running 24/7, doing exactly what you tell it to do. Before we touch any settings, let's understand what we're actually building. What is a server? A server is just a computer that is always on, always listening, and waiting for other computers to ask it to do something. That's it. Your old laptop is going to become that computer. It will stay on 24/7 on your home Wi-Fi. Your main laptop, the one you actually use, becomes what we call the client. The client sends requests. The server responds. Right now, both of them are on the same Wi-Fi network, so they can talk to each other directly. We're going to set up two ways to access it: RDP, which gives you the full Windows desktop of your server on your screen, and SSH, which gives you a command line terminal into the server. SSH is what professionals use. It's faster, more powerful, and works on anything, including your mobile phone. Alright, on the old laptop, which is our server. First thing we need, its IP address. This is its identity on the network. Open command prompt and type IP protocol configuration. Look for IPv4 address under your Wi-Fi adapter. Write this down, we'll need it in a moment. Now let's enable remote desktop. Go to Settings System. Remote desktop. Enable remote desktop. Turn it on and confirm. Windows will automatically open port 3389, which is the standard RDP port. To verify it's working, open command prompt and run netstat and find str 3389. If you see the port in a listening state, that means remote desktop is successfully enabled. One more thing, go to power settings. We need to make sure this laptop never sleeps. Set sleep to never for both battery and plugged in. Now for SSH, go to Settings Apps Optional Features. Add a feature search for OpenSSH server. Install it. Once installed, open Services. Locate OpenSSH SSH server, set the startup type to automatic, and start the service. While you're there, also make sure the remote desktop services are set to automatic and running. At this point, both your SSH server and RDP service are up and live. Now we're on the main laptop, our daily driver. Let's connect to the server using RDP. Open the Remote Desktop Connection app. Just search Remote Desktop in the Start menu. In the Computer field, type the IP address we noted earlier. Click Connect. Enter your server laptop's Windows username and password. And just like that, you are now looking at your server's desktop from your main machine, over Wi-Fi. No cables. No extra monitors. This is Remote Desktop Protocol, the same technology that IT departments use to manage hundreds of machines. And you just set it up in 5 minutes. Think about what this means. Your server could be in another room, plugged in, running, lid closed. And you'd have complete control over it from your desk. RDP is great for a full desktop experience. But professionals, sysadmins, developers, security engineers, they prefer SSH. It's lighter, faster, and far more powerful for running commands. Let's connect via SSH from our main machine. SSH username at 192.168.1.108. Type your server's Windows password when prompted. And now you're in a terminal session directly into your server. Everything you type here runs on your server. You can navigate files, run scripts, install software. All from a text interface. This is how real servers are managed in the real world. But here's the part that really shows the power of what we've built. Let me grab my phone. I have Termux installed. It's a terminal app for Android. Once inside Termux, install SSH. Package install OpenSSH. Then connect to your server, same command, same IP. SSH username at 192.168.1.108. You are now controlling your home server from your phone. Over Wi-Fi. While the server laptop is sitting closed in another room. That is the power of SSH. This same concept, this exact connection, is how every engineer in the world manages cloud servers on AWS, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean. The only difference is the IP address. The principle is completely identical. So now you have a server. What do you actually do with it? Let me give you real examples, not theory. Here, I'm accessing the server using RDP from my main laptop and uploading a text file to it. Now, from my mobile using Termux, I'm accessing that same server and viewing the exact file I just uploaded. That's how it works, one central server, accessible from multiple devices. That's it. In under 10 to 15 minutes you've gone from an old forgotten laptop to a working home server with full RDP desktop access, SSH terminal access, and mobile control via Termux. You now understand what a server actually is, how clients connect to it, and how the exact same principles apply to every server in the world. This is episode 1 of the Own Server series. Episode 2 is going to get more serious. We're installing Linux on this machine and hosting a real web server. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If you found this useful, the subscribe button is right there. See you in the next one.